Now, Suchit ji, my next question is about the requirement of shear walls, concrete shear walls in lift.
Yeah, so lifts ka ji, dekhiye, we have two ways of doing it. We would frame and then the rest of the normal wall around it. So we don't need any concreting.
Okay.
But for taller buildings, जैसे अभी बॉम्बे में तो चाहिए taller buildings में हम लोग का वो concrete core है. तो design ऐसा होगा कि concrete core के through जाएगा lift and supplies and everything. That's how we usually design it.
Fine. So the staircase core and the lift would be in RCC for structures which are maybe more than 20 floors or something.
Correct.
Do we have a benchmark for that?
We usually say 12 to 15 floors and above. We put a concrete core in. Depends again on the seismic and the wind zone.
That's great. So, that's great because most of the buildings would fit in within 15 floors. The general small plot redevelopment, so they don't need to worry about that. Fine. And what is the structural steel consumption per square feet basis? If I can ask you for a maybe 15-storied building.
I mean, look, we have to meet the Indian codes on that. So in terms of 7 kilograms a square feet or 8 kilograms or 4 kilograms. So whatever that steel component is, we are matching. In fact, we looked at a calculation where the Indian code had asked for 4 kilograms per square feet, but our calculation was coming to about 3.6. So we are a lot more efficient and we are having to actually increase the inefficiency to match the Indian coding. But that's something which is an ongoing thing to go through once obviously the thing comes in. But we are exactly the same in all those numbers.
All right. And what is the grade of steel that we are using over here, sir?
So the steel is a standard light gauge steel, but we're using galvanization, which is called GS120, which is the number for the galvanizing element, so that when it's left outside, वो फिर 120 साल में rust होता है. And then we are 50% discount करके हम 60 साल का structural life बता रहा है for the financing, mortgageability, etc.
Okay, but how about the grade? FY 250, 350, 400 Newton per millimeter squares.
Yeah, I mean, this will depend. I mean, to be honest, this would be for my technical team to answer into that.
All right, okay, no worries, no worries.
You know, this is now getting too technical. But what I can say is that the steel is standard use of steel, and it would vary. Remember, also we're also using heavy gauge steels for larger spans. So we have a combination of hot roll and cold roll steel. We've done a school where the school central auditorium with school classrooms around it done here, where we achieved a height of about 10 meters, height of the auditorium section. So there, for the span to come through, we have used hot roll section. But that's a design element. But largely, I think for the end user, I think the key element is that you're getting a building very quickly, very fast, more advanced and green, you know.
Sure.
That's the key.
Chalo, thank you, Suchit ji.